In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from one Oppo card to another. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to start this process and make sure that all remaining balance on one Oppo card is transferred to another, I recommend that you follow these steps through the transportnsw.info website, where you can start the process of signing into your account and managing your balance. You can do this process through the mobile app. For this video, I'm going to showcase it on the website. Regardless of which option you choose, make sure that you are signed into your account, and then under Tickets and Oppo, you will find the option to manage your Oppo card. Inside of the management page for your Oppo card on the website, as you can see here, or through the mobile app, if you select the specific card that you would like to transfer the balance from, you will be able to find the option to transfer your balance to another card. When you go into this section, you will have instructions and some limits that you must follow. So if you open this main article, how to transfer balance and block an Oppo card, you will notice that there are some guidelines that you need to follow, primarily the maximum balance that you can transfer. So pay attention to the maximum balance you can transfer and also the time that it may take to process this transfer. Usually, it can take up to 24 hours, but the balance transfer will probably happen before that time. As long as you follow the instructions listed here, you sign into your account, you will be able to initiate this transfer from the website or from the mobile app if you select a card. Alternatively, if you cannot do this process manually on your own, you also have the option to talk to the Oppo customer care. So if you open this article and then you click Contact Oppo Customer Care, you can get the information necessary for you to talk to their customer support, and they will be able to do this process on their end. Regardless of which option you pick, doing this process yourself by signing into this page and initiating the transfer to another activated registered card number, or talking to their customer support and providing the information about the cards, you will be able to have the balance transferred. It is very important to do this process if you have a blocked card, primarily stolen cards, because that way you can save your balance. Keep in mind that it is impossible to unblock a card, so this is the next step that you should take after you block your pre-existing card. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from one Oppo card to another. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.